This DropBot tutorial will walk you through how to perform a diagnostic test on your DropBot to ensure that your system is functioning correctly. Let's get started. Begin by launching the MicroDrop application on your computer and connecting your DropBot via USB. Next, click the Tools button in the top left corner of the MicroDrop interface. A drop-down menu will appear. Hover over DropBot to reveal additional options. Here, you can choose to run either all tests or a specific one. For this tutorial, we will select Run All Onboard Self-Tests. A pop-up window will now prompt you to insert the DropBot test board into your DropBot. Make sure it is fully inserted into the chip holder. Once it is secured in place, click OK to continue. MicroDrop will now begin running each diagnostic test sequence. You will see a progress bar as the tests are being executed. This process may take a few moments. Once complete, your internet browser will open a new window displaying the test results. Let's review each section. Test voltage results. This verifies that your DropBot can generate the required high voltages for droplet movement. You should see a linear relationship between the target and measured voltages, with an error margin under 5%. Test shorts results. This checks for electrical shorts between channels. The expected result is no shorts. If any shorts are detected, remove the test board. Reinsert it, making sure that it is all the way to the back of the chip holder, and rerun the tests. Test onboard feedback calibration results. This assesses the DropBot's built-in capacitive sensing system against a series of standard capacitors. You should see a fairly linear trend between nominal and measured capacitance. Note that it is normal for the values to be off by up to 50 picofarads for the highest value. Test channels results. This evaluates each of DropBot's 120 channels. The message should read all 120 channels passed. The capacitance values for each channel should be near 10 picofarads, where anything between 7 picofarads and 13 picofarads is considered acceptable. If any channels fail, remove and reinsert the test board fully, then rerun the tests. If your test results differ from the expected values, or if you encounter any issues during the diagnostic process, please do not hesitate to contact our support team at support@Sci-Bots.com. We will also include this contact information in the video description for your convenience. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more DropBot tips and tricks.